Dolly, you are our feathered friend. Now we want to learn more about other birds like you. This is the cuckoo bird. The male cuckoo is black in color. A female cuckoo is gray with white dots. The male cuckoo sings very sweetly. A cuckoo lays its eggs in the crow's nest. It eats berries and small insects. This is a pigeon. A pigeon is gray, brown, or white in color. Pigeons coo. Pigeons build nests in covered ledges of the buildings. Pigeons eat grains and other small insects. This is a peacock. A peacock is a beautiful bird. It has long feathers. The feathers of a peacock are green and blue in color. A peacock has a crest on its head. Sometimes peacocks are white in color. The beautiful set of feathers of a peacock is called its plumage. A peacock looks very beautiful with an open plumage. A female is called a peahen. She does not have beautiful feathers like a peacock. A peacock screams. A peacock builds nests in trees. It eats grains and small insects.